In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan in Capcut. Pan effects can really add some dynamic flair to your videos, making them more engaging and impressive. Whether you're looking to slide left or right, or perhaps zoom in to draw attention to a particular part of your clip, Capcut's animation features make it straightforward and fun to experiment with these effects. So let's dive in and see how you can achieve this. First things first, you'll want to open up Capcut on your device. If you don't have the app installed yet, it's available for both iOS and Android, and it's free to download. Once you are in Capcut, start a new project by tapping on the New Project button. This is your blank slate where you can let your creativity take flight. Next, you'll need to add the video or photo you want to work with. You can easily do this by selecting the file from your library. Capcut lets you import a variety of file formats, making it flexible for all kinds of media. After your video or photo is in the timeline, you're ready to start editing. Now tap on the clip in your timeline. This step simply tells the app which piece of media you want to apply an effect to. After selecting your clip, you'll see various editing options appear. Tap on the animation option, which should be displayed at the bottom of your screen. Once you've accessed this section, you'll have the choice of different animation categories. For panning effects, we want to focus on the in or combo categories. These options allow you to start each clip with a dynamic panning motion or combine multiple animations for a complex effect. Select a pan effect that suits your vision. You might choose slide right for a subtle motion or perhaps zoom in if you really want to focus on a key part of your scene. Capcut offers a variety of these effects, so feel free to explore and see which one best fits the mood and message of your project. Once you've picked out a pan effect, you can adjust the speed to fine-tune how quickly the motion occurs. Speed adjustment is straightforward. Capcut provides an easy slider for you to apply more speed if you want a brisk pan, or slow it down for a more gradual effect. When you're happy with the speed, tap the check mark to apply your changes. Finally, it's time to put the finishing touches on your project by exporting your video. You'll see an option to export on the top right of your screen. Here you can choose the resolution and format that best suits your need. Once everything is set up, hit the export button and let Capcut do its magic. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively add a pan effect to your videos in Capcut, enhancing their visual storytelling. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with different effects to find your unique style. Thanks for watching and happy editing.